Hello, today we will guide you through how to ADD, RSI, and Exness. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to find and add the RSI indicator inside the Exness trading interface. RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index, is a popular tool used by traders to help measure momentum and identify possible overbought or oversold conditions on a chart. If you're new to chart indicators, don't worry. We'll keep this simple and easy to follow. To begin, go to the Exness Personal area. This is where you manage your trading activity and access the platform tools you need. Once the page is loaded, look for the Trade option and click on it. This will take you toward the area where you can open a trading platform and work directly with charts. After clicking Trade, select Exness Terminal. This opens the web-based trading terminal where you can view price charts, place trades, and add technical analysis tools like indicators. Give the terminal a moment to load fully so all the chart controls are visible and ready to use. When you are inside the terminal, move your attention to the top of the screen. Here, you'll need to click either the FX button or the indicators icon. Depending on the layout you see, the label or icon may appear slightly differently, but both are used to access the indicator library. This is the section where built-in chart tools are stored. Once the indicators panel opens, click on the search bar. In the search field, type RSI. Searching is the quickest way to find the exact indicator you need, especially if the platform includes a long list of tools and studies. As you type, the matching result should appear in the list. When RSI appears, click on it to add it to your chart. After you select it, the indicator should be applied immediately, usually in a separate panel below the main price chart. This helps you view price action and momentum side by side, which can make your chart analysis more organized. If needed, you can take a moment to confirm that the RSI has been added successfully by looking for the new indicator panel on the chart. If you don't see it right away, check that the chart is fully loaded and that the indicator window is not minimized. And that's it. You've successfully added RSI and Exness. Once it's on your chart, you can continue analyzing market movement with an extra layer of insight directly inside the terminal.